this is my Elite Gourmet percolator. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and it's a very nice design, very nice material, stainless steel. The lid fits perfect and tight. This top part is plastic, and this is plastic. Like I said, it's 12 cups. When I made the 12 cups, I had a problem. It started leaking all over. It started leaking, I don't know, from over here, but definitely from over here, and there was a big mess over here. Okay, so that's a problem. And I read some other reviews. Customers, they have problems with this power button. See, when you turn it on, it's supposed to be red, and it starts percolating, and it completes the percolating, and it will turn blue, and that means that it's done. And then you serve it, and you put it back, and this button will be back blue on its own. You have to start, continuous pressing the button. So if someone has the problem that you put it back and it doesn't turn on, and you have to turn it on continuously, well, that means that the unit is just defective. Okay. The main problem for me is the leakage. Okay, so it leaks on the bottom, and this is on a daily basis since the very beginning. There will be coffee here, and if I see the pot, it will be, I lift it up and there's coffee there. Right now it's empty. Okay, but that is the main issue for me, and I have decided to return it before the problems gets worse and I run out of time, and I cannot get my refund, right? So I'll be returning, and I'll give the shot to this other one. Okay, well, thank you for listening.
So I just got this Elite Gourmet coffee pot. It is a 4-cup, 5-cup, whatever. And it's okay. It's nice. I like how small it is. The biggest gripe I have about it is this right here. So when you have the coffee pot in there, it pushes this up because of the little spring right here. So anyway, this hits, which means you can't close the lid. So you have to make sure it's perfectly level, and if you have the coffee pot in there, it's going to hit. So that's a pain. You got to make sure that you press down and then move this over to close the lid. That sucks.
I love this little pot. It's so cute. The design is beautiful. I just got a new refrigerator, stainless steel, so the stainless steel coffee maker matches it really nice. Beautiful little pot, very light, very small. It fits in many different spaces. Just hope the coffee's good. It's not done yet.
767 from Europe. Have all the passengers been up to flight yet?